we have a new AI video generator and it is very good. So let me show you some great examples. Let's start with consistent characters and ingredients. So here we can upload our own image or anyone else, then image 2, image 3, and we can try some samples. So for example, here we have a young man enjoying his coffee. So let's see what we get. This is the final result. And you see, he looks completely the same as here on the image. Yes. And also the coffee mug and everything is the same. So let's look at the video. Nice. Yes, and you noticed it also produces sounds and sound effects and music. Then I need to try my standard prompt of wide shot of a ruined city and a lone hero. And this is the result. Nice. Yeah. Look at the details in the eyes. Everything is pretty good. And by the way, this new AI video generator is actually Pollo 2.0 and it's very cheap to generate videos. For example, 5 to 10 times cheaper than VO3 or some other video generators that are available. And this is pretty good. I'm also using all of that on Pollo AI, where you can create videos both with Pollo, with Sora, with Google, with Van, with Hilo, C-Dance, Kling, everything is here. Pixar, Vidu, also LumaRay. So yeah, but they just released their own proprietary, so we need to try it out to the limits. So now let's try also text to video with the complex prompt of gigantic human eye emerging in a rainforest and transforming into a robotic mechanical eye. Here is the result. The first frame looks pretty good. Yes, now rainforest. I like this. Yes. And now transform to the robotic with the sound effects. Nice. And as always, I need to test AI video generators with diving examples and this interesting prompt. Here is one of the results. Pretty good start. She's approaching to the edge. Pretty good. Here is another example. Also good start. And good sound. And actually the movements is actually kind of good. Then let's try image to video of a man in his 30s wearing a dark jacket and running through the narrow black corridors of the hotel. Here it is. Yes, very similar to VO3 and Kling and Hello as I did test in previous videos. Yeah, pretty good. Pollo 2 AI video generator is actually pretty nice, especially considering the price per credit. So then let's also try to use some famous people and image to video with added ingredients. So here I uploaded image of Sweeney. I also uploaded image of this ice cream and I also uploaded image of this beach. And then we have the girl walks along a sandy beach enjoying her ice cream and received this. So this is Sweeney, this is ice cream, and this is the exact beach. So let's look at it at the full screen. Nice, and her face is consistent, the ice cream face and everything is as uploaded image, so pretty nice. Yeah. Then the similar example, so I uploaded different image of Sweeney and I uploaded also the hammer, as you can see here, and the same beach. So let's look at that. Also pretty good result. Hammer especially. Then I did similar with Arnold Schwarzenegger, so I uploaded this very low resolution image and old image of him eating steak, and then we got the following. Yes, very good. Drinking his milk and eating steak. And by the way, notice something here. So I can extend the video, I can make an HD version of the video, I can add additional sounds effects. I can also click on video to video. So when you do this, then you can transform this video into the anime, into Disney Pixar, or into many different versions. So for example, simplified 3D, cute anime, pop art, modern anime, pixel art version 2, many different things that you can do with the video that you created and then transform it to something else. Or for example, lip syncing, or removing video backgrounds. And now one more example of famous people. So I uploaded Elon Musk and Sam Altman and just did that for image to video, and then they started fighting. Pretty good that this AI video generator allows uploading famous people. Some. I tried Donald Trump and it didn't work. So yeah, continuing with the testing, we also need to try to put cats into a boiler DJ room. So I uploaded this image of a cat and a boiler cat, did some prompting here, and then the video generator did its magic with added sound and everything by itself. Nice. Great camera movement and sound. Yeah. Look at the cats. Nice. We could, for example, extend this video and create a full boiler room set. And here we would like to see the style of 1970s and a creepy couple in a silence. So here is the video, and now look at the smooth transition of them looking very seriously and then started creepy smiling. And the room is great, really. Nice. Look at the faces. One more time to the smile part. Now here. Very nice. Let me also try intense action scene of a man hanging on the side of a large military cargo plane. So yeah, the plane looks nice. Here is the person. Let's look at the video. Pretty good. And the nature here also nice. Here his eyes are slightly disturbed, but that's okay. That's always happening. And also let's try to put a real person into the arcade game was, for example, Super Mario. So here it is. Nice, I really like that. And the sounds, really like a complete arcade. Yeah. Pretty good. And by the way, here you can do many additional things like animations, effects. So for example, if we click on here, you will find hundreds and hundreds of different effects. Kissing generator, aging figure, ice sculpture, for example. Look at how is this person turning into ice. That's really good. Yes. Backflip, AI hug. So many different things that you can do inside of this tool. Yeah, I really like this. Overall, pretty good addition of Pollo 2.0 and overall all-in-one AI platform that contains all other AI video and image generators and many other photo effects, fun effects, shorts, avatars, everything is here. So if you like this video, check out these two. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.